Okay guys, it's Denise and I'm in my studio Thursday afternoon. This is going to be kind of a quick video because I'm getting ready to teach a 2-day workshop this weekend, so I've been really busy with that. But I also have been playing around with something else. And I have been going to a clay studio and creating some really kind of fun pieces of ceramic. I love this. This is a transfer that you put on ceramic. Anyway, these are my first attempts at ever playing with ceramics, and it's been really fun. I did just chip this piece right here in getting ready to make this video, so I'm kind of bummed about that. But I made this whole little set, mainly because I always do things in groups, and learned about making little, what do you call these? What do you call them? Not transfers, but little molds. And so all of these were things that I've done so far. I have actually twice this many pieces sitting ready to be fired. And I'm really enjoying the process. I'm enjoying playing with a completely different medium and getting my hands dirty in that. And yeah, it's way fun. So we just started playing with porcelain. You can hear the difference with the porcelain. And you could get really, really thin. And these are all pieces. But I loved all of the little shards that had transfers on them. And these have been baked already. And come on, you just can't throw this stuff away. So I'm hanging on to it. And my teacher gave me this, which is a piece of porcelain that she was making something that didn't turn out the way she wanted it to. I think it was going to be a lamp, some kind of a lampshade, or maybe she does a lot of really cool things. It's like this could have literally been for the top of something as a tablecloth. It's really fun doing the transfers and adding those in with the other things, you know, the rougher pieces that you're making or painting. So I've got this. I cannot find my tile cutters because I don't use them that often, hardly ever, if at all. I think I've used them once, so I can't seem to locate them. But I want to break this up so I have more little pieces to play with. I don't know what I'm going to do with them. Really, I don't. But, you know, I am a paper hoarder, so why not be a porcelain scrap hoarder? So I'm going to try. I've just got my wire cutters. Let me see what that does. Probably nothing. Oh, that's kind of cool. But I really want more flat pieces. I could be really daring. Am I that daring? There we go. We got that. I'm sure I have to be careful not to cut my hand. I want flat pieces. I don't really want these edges. Now, when I do find my tile cutters, I'll maybe be able to cut some shapes out. Don't really want these dimensional ones. So get rid of that. Yeah, because I'm going to have little shards of porcelain all over my studio. Keep all these flat pieces. Like I said, no idea what I'm going to do with these. But, you know, they're just kind of too cool to throw away. And besides that, come on, this is pretty fun. It's fun to break things up. I'm loving that. Oh, these go over here. This is my dimensional pile. Flat pile. Dimensional. Now, I guess, you know, you could be doing this with china plates that you might find, but it's kind of more fun to do it with a piece of clay that you're making yourself or a piece of porcelain that you're designing yourself. These are all dimensional and those aren't going to be flat, so they can go into another pile. Not to mention, you know, if you do mosaic, of course, I'm sure there's a lot of porcelain clay people and mosaic people out there that I am not showing anything new. I mainly want to talk about here doing something different, mixing it up, doing something completely different than you're used to doing, trying a different medium, and just playing and exploring. It makes it easier to explore when somebody gives you a piece that's ready to break up and it's not your own piece. But I'm thinking it could be pretty fun just to make some pieces and break them up. And then even if you keep track of where you broke them, which I did not, you could put them back together with kintsugi. Kintsugi, am I saying that correct? That is the art of reattaching, repairing ceramic pieces and then creating a gold line, a gold seam in it that repairs the crack, and I totally love that. I just took a workshop not long ago on how to do that. As a matter of fact, this is one of the pieces that I did in the class, and it's just going in and fixing the cracks with gold and making it beautiful again. So you could actually go in and create some things, some pieces of porcelain that you can do that very thing with and plan it out. And the nice thing about porcelain, you can, unlike clay that has to be a little bit thicker, you can roll the porcelain out where it's almost paper thin and create some really cool stuff with it. So maybe one of these weeks I'll show you some of the pieces that I've been working on in porcelain. They're pretty simple and they're really fun. So like I said, short this week. Just some fun little things that I'm playing with while I'm getting ready to teach my class this week. And I love the sound of it. I love the sound of the porcelain. So have fun, try a different medium. And if you do clay, leave me a comment and direct me to your page, your channel, because I'm all about clay and porcelain right now. I'm really having fun with it. So, yeah, give it a try, give it a go, have fun with it. And before you leave, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. And I promise you, I have longer videos that are a little bit more intense than this. I still am working on my commission piece from the last 2 weeks. So I'll be working on that again next week when I am done with my weekend class. And yeah, there you go. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you next Saturday. Bye.